Hey guys, it's Leah. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my monthly reset routine, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is updating my whiteboard calendar, so let's do that.
Okay, so my calendar is all done, so now I'm going to move on to the next thing.
Although my vanity looks clean on camera, it really isn't. It's really dirty and dusty. The last thing I decided to do was clean my bathroom because it was unaesthetic and just gross. It had clothes on the floor and just stuff everywhere. It was also just really dusty and dirty, so I decided to clean that up. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!